Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to do my highlights, how in the thumbnail, and you'll see later in the video. So this is the bleach that I use. This is the developer I use. I use 30 developer and I use 40 developer, but I forgot to show on camera. It was just a little version of that 30 developer, but it's 40. I didn't use a lot of 40 developer either, but I did have to use some, but I prefer to use 30 than 40 on my highlights. So yeah. So this is the consistency, you know what I'm trying to say, that I like to have my dye. Not too chunky, like kind of like pancake batter, you could describe it as. It's not runny and it is not chunky. So now I'm showing you how I actually do the highlight. Don't mind me not having gloves on. I know I'm supposed to have gloves. I totally run out of gloves. So yeah, don't worry about it. I got the bleach off my hands. I'm okay. But that's how I dye. I split it up in sections. The first two I did were my two front highlights, the little bang part things on the closure. Those were the first two, and then I went over in sections. So the way I do my sections is I dye a section, skip a section, dye a section. That's basically how I do it. It's pretty simple. And then I didn't want just highlights on the top, like how sometimes highlights are just on the top, like I don't know how to describe it, but y'all know what I'm talking about. I just have to do the bottom and then the top, bottom, then the top, but I'm still skipping, and you'll see the end of the video. So that's pretty much for this part. The rest you can just see. Yeah.
Keep your hands up in the air for sure. Baby, we dancing tonight. I'ma get down with you. That's how I do. Girl, you got a rare, I don't need a side view. Sexy red dress like you banging pyro. Girl, you striking with that frame, so I had to slide through. Came up in this club knowing I would find you. You're beautiful as ever, let me just remind you. Cause baby, you got it, girl. There's something about it, girl. Your body language is talking, and baby, believe me, I'm listening. No interruptions, no stopping you, baby, go on with your sentence. Whoa, baby, oh yeah, sweet lady. I need to know your name, baby. Girl, I know that I'm pursuing, but I just gotta see the way you move it. Oh, na 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 na.
Right now my oxygen needs oxygen. Breathe in, breathe out. No rocks with it. Right now I'm zoning in. I'm orbiting. Breathe in, breathe out. Don't hold it in. Cause I've been soaring, flying higher, climbing, and I don't have a way to get back down. Cause I've been seeing lightning in the night, and I don't think I wanna leave right now. The sick haze stuck in my veins. I lost it all in the sky. No space, no time, a cosmic sign. I lost it all in the high. The sick haze stuck in my veins. I lost it all in the sky. No space, no time, a cosmic sign. I lost it all in the high. I see two-faced when I see mine, oh no. See a tiger, keep my mind. If you wanna join, be my pleasure. You gon' fly away. with me, my escape, your escape. Be with the ice that you can't see. Oh, you're jaded, overrated. Don't believe me when I faded. I've translated isolation. Don't believe me 'cause I'm soaring, flying, higher, climbing, and I don't have a way to get back down. 'Cause I've been seeing lightning in the night, and I don't think I wanna leave right now. The sick haze stuck in my veins. I lost it all in the sky. No space, no time, a cosmic sign. I lost it all in the high. The sick haze stuck in my veins. I lost it all in the sky. No space, no time, a cosmic sign. I lost it all in the high.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Brianna Cole, and I want to thank you guys for watching. So today we have this hair from Aatifa Hair. I believe that's how you pronounce it. So this is their Wet Wave. This is 18, 18, 18, 16. The 16 is the closure. It's a 4x4 closure. So the basic closure. So this is the hair. You did see me dye it in the previous clips and me install it. So just a quick review. Shedding, I do receive shedding, but not a lot. Tangles, I do receive tangles. Before I dyed the wig, you can see what the curls look like. And after I dyed the wig, the curls still were intact. They didn't droop or anything. I really like the bleach took. I'm gonna do a full 360. Here's this side. So yeah, the hair is really nice, really cute. So I'm gonna go through and show shedding. So this shedding, I did have like 4 pieces that pop out. And you did say my hands did get a little snag, but it's not really too bad, but you still do get it. So yeah. So the price of this hair is $94. So yeah, I really do like this hair. It's really, really pretty. They do offer with this hair, they do offer a frontal, and they do have a transparent lace and a medium lace, I believe. Yeah, medium brown lace. So yeah, I did bleach the knots and I did pluck. But really, I didn't have to do a lot of plucking. I said I did bleach the knots. Really, after I bleached the knots, I didn't have to do a lot of plucking, but I did go in and pluck it just because I wanted to. So yeah, that's it for this review part. I want to thank you guys for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, comment, concerns, comment down below. Thank you.
Soulja Boy, tell me.